Hey y'all, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a soft glam look. It's one of the variations of my everyday makeup look, but a little bit more glam, a little bit of attention to detail in the crease with a nice glossy lip. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. But before you do that, if this is your second or third time or even fourth time watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing, Jap? What are you doing? Join the Jasmine Mitchell family. Click subscribe. Make sure you click the notification button so you can be informed on every time I upload. Thanks, guys. All right, y'all. So I'm just going to start off with prepping my skin. If you have not watched my detailed foundation tutorial, then I suggest you click the icon above and watch that, because I really go into detail in my voiceover showing you how I perfect my complexion. So if you haven't watched that, click the icon above. This video is not necessarily a tutorial or anything like that. I just wanted you guys to get ready with me. And a few of you on Instagram have asked me how I do my matte kind of soft cut crease. So I wanted to show you guys. So, you know, watch me do my skin work and we'll get into this eye. And of course, all of the products that I'll be using will be located in the description box below. So this eye is very, very simple. I'm gonna start off with a Maxine's mop brush. This brush was hella popular back in like 2010, 2011, when all the makeup girls were popping on YouTube. I went to Michael's and got me a Maxi mop, and that is the same one that I've been using for years. And this is just perfect for my eye shape and just helps carve out that crease for me. And I'm gonna go in with a very, very matte kind of beige peach color. This is from the Sonia Kashuk Eyes on Neutrals palette, which of course does not exist anymore because this palette is so old, but NYX has a similar one. Fenty has a similar one. You can find any type of matte eyeshadow that is about 3 shades lighter than your skin tone and just pack that on the lid. Then I'm gonna go in with a brown about my skin tone and just carve out that crease. You don't even want to cut it. I'm just defining the crease, and it doesn't even give you a cut crease really. It just defines that crease and it just makes the eye just pop. I love doing this. After that, I'm going to tight line and then smudge a little eyeliner on the top. And I'm just going to blend that out with a small detailed brush, and just gives me a nice little smoke at the edge of my lash line. So the rest is pretty simple. I'm gonna line my eye. I don't do a wing or anything. I just like to line my eye to give it definition. Gonna put some mascara on. Add my falsies and the eye is done, y'all. So watch me do the rest of my face.